another load of logs. Another load of logs from a construction site, house site. It on my dump trailer over there. It's got about a half a dozen or so. And we'll take them to the barn and cut them up, make mantles out of them. I'll end up making a mantle for the homeowner's house here, so this mantle would have came from a tree off his own property.